Alright, you can see where they've dug up. Got some sort of cement supports that they're going to put down there. They covered these up tonight because they got to come back. If you can see down there, looks like they stick some sort of concrete block and then those posts, and then lift your house up, get it level. Oh. We'll go around to the back so you can see back there too here in a minute.